Good morning, Levi. I don't know if this will actually be made into a video, but it is Friday night, and it's raining, and it's stormy, and I'm out on a walk, because what else are you going to do when it's pouring rain? I realize it's quite dark, so you can only see my silhouette, but I think that makes for a cooler video, maybe. So, I'm walking here, having a good time. Like I said, I don't know if this will become a video. Ooh, there's a branch. I don't know if this will become a video since I'm recording it on Friday night. And I normally record my Monday videos for at Sunday night. So I don't know if this will be a video, if I'll change my mind, decide on something else, if this footage just isn't good. Woo, sharp on the ground. But yeah, I'm walking through the rain like you did on your video, except I'm alone. One thing that we talked about when I was at UW over last weekend is how we're very, very similar. Oop, that's a lot of rain. And luckily, one of the things that we share is our affinity for rain, which is nice that I got to text you about this. And I was like, hey, it's raining. And you're like, oh, it's not raining here. And I'm like, loser, pranked. But sadly, I do not share your affinity for wearing or purchasing boots. So I am not wearing boots right now. My feet are a little soaked. That's okay, I won't stay out here for too long. Ooh, it's all dark now. I didn't look at the camera for a little bit. But hopefully you can hear the rain as well as me. Hopefully this audio isn't awful. I recorded a little bit of footage of just rain, and I think I'll put that in at the end of the video. I also want to I've been thinking about our channel, how to make it better, how to do more engaging things with our audience, etc., etc. I'm thinking about making a new channel trailer. I know right now we have Need You Now, which is kind of like our best video, I think. Especially since it has both of us in it. It's a very good summation of our channel, even though it's not really normally what we do. But I'm thinking of making a new one. I don't know what it'll entail, and I'll probably need your help with it. But it's like barely an idea right now. And that's all I got. So anyway, thank you for joining me on this rainy night. Hopefully these trees don't get blown over onto my face. So the rain has kind of calmed down now. So I will see you on Tuesday.